Let's go.
You're short.
Where's Lorraine?
They gave me a special combination. Lorraine trafficking, human trafficking, but it's Lorraine.
It's me and the bulldog. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Oh, hi.
You gotta stay here.
You're gonna go back to Lorraine as soon as you're done, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Our killer support.
She wants to. What can I do? The board just vaporizes after a certain distance. Never mind.
Yes.
Just like that.
Damn. Be up.
Behind him, Kevin.
Goodbye.
Kevin, you're supposed to go behind him.
Damn.
Flip me, Kevin. Flip me.
Fuck yeah, you what?
Block.
Lock him.
Block him. Block him.
I broke laws of physics.
Stop him.
Stop
I think he knows.
Wait. I actually want to do this.
Pick him up.
Pick him up.
This is getting so random.
Wait.
Lorraine.
Let's cross the bridge. No!
Oh, shit.
You hit it!
Sorry. Oh, shit.
This is fun. This is horrible.
God damn it. I'm sorry.
Yes.
There we go.
Lorraine's on me.
Joel, line up.
Line up, Lorraine.
Lorraine's assemble.
Lorraine's assemble. Line up. No. Anyway, get the screenshot.
Wait,
Raise your guns up.
One, two. I'm gonna post it in general. Hey, make a Lorraine train. Oh hell yeah! Take a screenshot, Kevin.
I got it.
Okay, everyone slowly move on, Kevin. Come on, Leo.
Oh.
Leo.
wait. Wait, come on.
Wait for. Oh fuck!
Oh shit.
Oh, you're fucking destroyed. God damn it!
At least we got it fun now.
Check out, bitch camp. Check out.
9 kilometers backwards. This is slower than my grandma.
No.